In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube video upload problem on YouTube. You can solve this problem, then you can follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your YouTube app's latest version. From here, you make sure your YouTube apps is updated. If your YouTube apps is not updated, then update your YouTube app's latest version. It helps to fix YouTube video upload problem. Step 2. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage app, then search YouTube application. Tap on YouTube, then click on storage, click on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps to fix YouTube video upload problem. Step 3. Again, open your phone setting. Then check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. Restart your device. If all these steps are not working for you, please contact with YouTube support team. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.